Take a moment to check out the 2026 Jeep Cherokee. Explore your world with confidence in the Cherokee. Its premium features keep you comfortable, while its rugged capability takes you wherever the road or trail leads. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, turbocharged engine, tires all season, power passenger seat. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.